I'd like an opportunity to share some tasks with you. The first one is from grade 1, ways to make 20. In this particular task, students are shown piggy banks, 3 of them, and they are asked to arrange 20 $1 bills. How might they be able to do that? This task pushed students thinking a little bit more because usually they think about 2 add-ins versus 3, and how many ways can they make 20, and how do they know they found all the ways to make 20? So this is a grade 1 task. Another task for grade 2 is called dogs and cats, and in this situation, students pretend that they are veterinarians and they are serving 58 animals. How many dogs, how many cats can they service in a day? So students need to decide how to balance it and how to distribute the dogs and cats. And there again, how many ways can they do that? The enrichment activity asks students to consider 3 animals that the vets are serving and extend their thinking to 3 add-ins rather than 2. In grade 3, we have a task called banking business. In this case, the students are asked whether or not they could withdraw a certain amount of money from the bank, but they're surprised to learn that the bank can only give them 10s and 1s. Well, if the value of the money they want to withdraw is $1,958, how many 10s, how many 1s will the bank be giving them in terms of withdrawal of that cash? This is a different kind of place value question as compared to what number or what digit is in the hundreds place or the tens place. This pushes the children's thinking a little bit further. Grade 4 has a collaborative team challenge of making the best paper airplane. This is a collaborative task where students perform different roles within the task and they have to decide the meaning of best. Does that mean longest flight or longest time in the air? What is the meaning of a best? And then they get to play around with the different variables that they decide to choose. In grade 5, this is an individual task where students are challenged to think about what happens to the volume of a cube if the length of the side is doubled. What is the relationship between the side and the volume of the cube? This would be an individual task, and then at the end of that, they work with a partner to share their understandings and talk about their solutions.